I hold chamfer foil. If you are having troubleshooting or tired, really tired of what you like, oh my god, okay, I have so many cute chamfer foil, and then my foils never stick on the nails, or like you might give up, like, okay, I'm not gonna mess up with that. You should check out this guy, a premium eye hole chamfer foil. If one item you ask me to suggest that if you're using chamfer foil, you should check this guy out. All right, 30 seconds, okay? I say this is freaking love this. I love the other one. I love the chamfer foil, the eye hole chamfer foil. I love this one more. So this one, close friends, and this one, best friends. You can have both close and best friend because this is amazing. If you're busy in the salon and your lamp is like sometimes give you a hard time, you need this guy. But if you have a proper lamp and you have some more time, 60 seconds, you need this guy. So, or you can have both of them and then test it out which one is your favorites. But I've been traveling, I use both of them in the... Okay. They are so darn few. I have a hard time to make it up which one I'm going to put it on. Sorry. Oh, look at that. And then you can layer this one, okay? You don't have to get... Let me try this. I'm going to try to just get this 3. Oh my goodness. I can feel it's just like... I'm gripping it. It's coming off. Hold on. Did I miss it? Oh, because the nails is not enough space for the nails. I'm missing it. Because there are no nails for it. So I am... Let's see. I can do that too. It's only sticking where the chamfer foils. I can layer them though. Make sure you press it firmly. Look at that. And I am gonna have some of crystal along with this. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this. Okay. It transfers pretty much good though. It transfers to where needed, and like its whole space is empty right here and clear because it transfers completely. So put that on the side. And I am going to using condensed glue gel. Using my twin tip brush. If you're first time tuning in to our live tutorial, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such. As this all tutorial brought to you free with us who would love to support. We're so passionate about how we share, and we are always try to make sure that we can able to be a part of your successful journey. Whatever you do, if you have question, any troubleshooting, don't hesitate to ask us. And if you can't DM us, then respond right away, just because we have a high volume of inquiries. So be patient, and if you want to get hold of us faster, that you can email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and then more teams gonna get in and then help you with that as well. No wipe top coat. If you wonder what I am doing, I am using a 2 out of 3 from trifecta. That's to help perfect and avoiding all the crystal is placement coming off. So okay, I'm gonna apply floating on the top of condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cleared anything yet. All right. Okay, hold on. Who is that saying it? So many cute choices. Love them all. Yeah, I know, Nuna. Okay, look at this. Now, I'm having a hard time, but I am going to do with the blue crystal. I need the blue crystal, please. I think I want blue crystal, though. Because... No, I want a blue crystal that's right there. Thank you. I got a matching one. Oh, so beautiful. Sorry, just too silly. But I would like to share what is the most trendy for all of you, so then you can feel so much confidence. Sit back and do not stress about and do not question and doubt about your career, that if you are right or not, or if you are in the right track. Absolutely you are, because I believe in it. I believe in you. Everyone else, if they're not believing you, but you have to believe in yourself, okay? There's only one way I can say. You believe in yourself, everything is impossible, everything is possible. People say, oh, there's no way you can do a beautiful nails like this. Or sometimes you doubt yourself, you question yourself. I think you all can achieve it. It's really successful. Look at that. It's just a little one. You don't have to do a lot. If you want, you go right ahead. I think it's gonna look cute anyway. Be different. Don't have to go into in any of pattern at all. But you know what? I'm doing like this. Always remember, if I share with crystal placement, the closer the crystal together, the longer they're gonna last, and you will never go wrong with your crystal placement. I promise. Just imagine it when you're doing a crystal placement like this. It just look like you are placing and setting your jewelry. So the closer all the stone is with the prong, longer your ring's gonna last. Also, it's gonna really give you really nice look and design. So I'm gonna place some of my rose. This is the gold bead. I love this gold bead, and I'm there's 4 different colors. You might see me sometime using with rose gold. You might see me sometime using with obsidians, and then sometimes you see me with silver. So you'll find me doing a several different way. So do not a limit of your potential. Just unleash it and play with this. We have a really good question. A lot of I remember one of our customer asking if you don't want to wasting this doing on a simple nails. Don't worry about that. Do it on your own nails, and you can show it off to the client. The clients love to seeing it, because most clients, when they see your nails, they would love to have the same nails as what you have. So they either doing longer or shorter, but they had some kind of inspiration from your nails. So do not afraid of to do that. I think it looks good, and have coordinating each other's. It looks great. Do you like it? Do you want more? Let me move this one, because I don't want to cover my cute blue flowers. This is really trendy though. You know why? Because this year is this color is represented for 2020 is color of the year, classic blue. So oh my goodness, thank you so much. We've been trying to get all the right lighting for different angle, so then we can deliver a nice video to all of you. We love you all. Thank you so much for the love and support. For all of you who is start from the beginning, past 2 years, it went so fast. There are so many of good things gonna coming, so please stay tuned. And also look for the 20,000 follower giveaway. And we can't wait. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking much better. Hello, lighting is coming back to us now. Finally. Okay, so I messed up a little bit because I do not want to cover my flowers. So that's why I move my crystals so then they are between. But it looks so cute. Are you happy with this now? Can I put it in the lamp? I asking you because I feel like I want to be like next to all of you and asking all your opinions. You can add more crystal if you want to, but if not, look at that. It's different. I do like it. Oh, I feel one naked right here. Just one. Just one. That's all. Okay. Now I'm happy.